Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Al-Fuzzi Vlog. How are you? I'm fine. I hope all are fine. Today I am going to show you interesting experiment. That is growing rainbow experiment. The two experiments are tissue paper, glasses, marker, and water. Cut the tissue paper a rectangular shape. They take the rainbow colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Color of paper in a both side. If you like my video, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.